run. That same firm also bought into Henniges, which is an American high-technology firm that creates dual-use technologies. These are technologies that have both civilian and military application. The deal actually had to be approved by CFIUS, the federal government's committee. The same company that we're talking about, Hunter Biden's firm, Bohai Harvest RST, was an early investor in CGN, China General Nuclear, a atomic power company in China that after his firm invests in it, that company gets charged by our FBI for stealing nuclear secrets in the United States.
And he does not pull the investment back.
No.
He doesn't get off of the board.
No.
He does nothing.
No.
He does nothing.
No.
They're taking nuclear secrets from us.
Right.
When you talked about, what is it?
Henniges. Yes.
This organization, Hunter Biden spearheads this deal where he buys, for what is it, 51%, the Chinese buy 50 or 49%.
Right.
And that way they have access to all of the technology. This is after the Chinese stole our stealth technology.
Right.
He knew about it.
Right.
And he's helping them do it again because one of the things that this company does is anti-vibration.
Exactly.
Which is instrumental in stealth aircraft.
Yes.
And they couldn't reproduce it.
Yes.
So he just helps them come over and buys the company.
Yeah, no, exactly. I mean, that's the underbelly of all of this. It's not just about the family getting rich because Joe Biden is vice president. We all know if your last name is Bush or Biden in Washington, D.C., you're going to have certain advantages in life. We all get that. That's not what we're talking about here.